some other people, when something is going to happen to you, sometimes you can feel it in dreams, or someone is going to betray you. You can dream first. So sometimes, guys, people, we say we are not prophets. They see what. Yes, you are not a prophet, but you are a prophet for yourself. Those dreams, maybe God wants you to saw maybe the kind of the person, because you don't know, maybe your friend, you don't know the partner. But when it comes into your dreams that your partner, maybe you are dreaming about your partner with other women, what, yes, that vision is true. It's the way your partner is doing behind you, you don't see naturally. But now God is coming to you spiritually, and you go to sleep and you are dreaming about your partner is cheating on you. That means that person is cheating on you in real life, but you don't know. So sometimes some of the dreams, guys, don't ignore those dreams, because you are not a prophet, but you are a prophet for yourself. Once you dream, you know that if there is something bad came to your life, or an accident is going to come, you can have a bad dream about an accident. Guys, people, all of us, we dream, guys, especially you know that what you are going to dream is true. You understand? It is going to be happen. So sometimes some of the dreams, don't ignore. If it's a bad dream or something, do something. Even it is going to come into your life, you have to do something. You are not a prophet, or maybe people are going to prophets. Guys, you are a prophet for yourself. You can saw things, even you are in good relationship or bad relationship, because the dreams tells us, even the kind of the person you are dating, you can dream about that person. What is the kind of that person? God shows, guys, God shows signs, because it's signs. You know that life is very spiritual. What I saw, life is very spiritual. Even signs, you can feel it, that person is not a good person. If you ignore those feelings, or maybe God came you through dreams, you can dream something bad about that person, or maybe that person is going to leave you. You can feel it in your dreams. You can dream about it. So sometimes, guys, there is no need sometimes to go to prophets, because you are a prophet for yourself. Life is very spiritual, guys. There is no need that person, another person, to come and explain about your life. What about what? Because I know my life. You understand? If there is something bad is going to happen, you can dream it, you can feel it. Even it's not the right person for you, or it's not the person you are going to spend the rest of your life with, you can feel it, you can dream about it.